Hi my dear children, this is Prasanna, your maths tutor. Dear children, in the previous video we learned that how to name the rays, vertex and an angle. In this today's video we are going to solve the exercise problems of the page number 97, and your first main is complete the table by naming the rays, vertex and angle. So first we have to name the rays, later vertex and finally angle. So what are the rays of this angle? So it is AB is the first ray, AC is the second ray. Rays can also be named as arms. So AB is the first arm and AC is the second arm. So AB, AC are the arms. Then what is the vertex here? Vertex is nothing but, so this is the common point for both the rays. So that's why this is called as vertex. So right now A is the vertex of this angle. Next, how do you name this angle? It's so simple. BAC, I said very clearly in the previous video that to name any angle we need at least 3 letters, and those 3 letters must include the common point in the middle. So BAC, first angle, and the same angle can be named like this, CAB. Both these names are same. Next, yes, QR and QP are the rays of this angle. Q is the vertex, very clear. And how do you name this? It is PQR, one way, that is PQR. Another way is that RQP, another way. So we usually represent any angle by using this symbol. So all of you have to keep it in mind that whenever you are naming an angle, first write the letters and use this angle sign or angle symbol. Let's move on to the next figure. So here what are the arms? YZ and YX are the arms, and Y is the vertex. And how do you name this? It is XYZ, one way, and second way is that ZYX. So this is how we can name the rays, vertex and angle of the figure given. Let's move on to the next main. It is read each angle, name the two rays, vertex and angle. So first it is BCD given. So in which what are the rays? So CB is the first ray and CD is the another one. So that's why right here CB and CD are the rays. Then what is the vertex here? Vertex is C, right here. Then what is the name of this? It is BCD, or else its name is also written as DCB or else BCD. Both are same. Next, it is what are the rays here? It is TM and TN. So TM and TN are the rays of this angle, and T is the common point, which is also known as vertex. And how do you name this? It is MTN or else NTM. Both are same, but I written only one name here. Next, it is QP and QR are the arms of this angle. Q is the common point or vertex of this angle, and PQR or else RQP. So this is the name of this angle. Next, it is MC and MS are the arms of this angle. M is the common point and SMC is the name of this angle, or else you can also name it as CMS. Let's move on to the next main. Label these angles and fill in the blanks. So angles are given here, but we have to label them by taking 3 letters. So right now I have labeled like PQR, and what are the arms of this? It is QP and QR, arms of this angle. Q is the common point, that is vertex, and PQR is the name of this angle. Similarly, this figure is labeled as L, M, N. So you can choose your own letters as well. So what are the arms of this angle? ML, MN are the arms. M is the common point and L, M, N is the name of this angle. Next, so I have taken the letters and I labeled like I, J, K, and J, I, J, K are the arms of this angle. J is the common point, that is vertex of this angle, and IJK is the name of this angle. That is what I written here, and here as well you have to use the symbol of this angle here. Next figure, I have named it as UVW. So VU and VW are the arms of this angle. V is the common point and UVW is the name of this angle. Let's move on to the next question, that is fill in the blanks. Let's move on to the next question. It is two rays YB and XB form the angle. So what are the rays YB and XB? So let's draw this. So it is the one ray and this is another ray. Just look at here. So in both the rays the letter B is common, which means this is the common point, that is going to be the common point. So that's why we write here. And what is that? YB and XB, so that it is Y and X, right? So which angle is formed here? When you construct the angle like this by using the hint which is given here. So X B Y or else Y B X. So XBY angle is formed, and at which point this angle is formed? So at the point B this angle is formed. So that's why B is the vertex here. Let's move on to the next question. The two arms of the PTA are, so just imagine that it is PTA. So P T A. So what are the arms of this angle? So TP and TA. So these are the two arms of this angle. That's why we have to write TP and TA in the blanks. Next, it is B is the vertex of the angle ABC. Its arms are. So let's see here. B is the vertex of the angle ABC. So we have to write it as A, B, C. So this is the angle ABC, and obviously B is the vertex. And what are the arms? Arms are BA and BC. That's why we have to write BA and BC are the arms of this angle, that is ABC. Next, we have to assume that there is an angle PQR, right? There is an angle PQR, and we can also read it as RQP. See here, P, it is Q and it is R. So we can name it as angle PQR, or else we can also name it as RQP. Both are same. And at which point this angle is formed? At the point Q this angle is formed. So that is why we have to write Q. Let's move on to the next question. It is name all the angles at the point P. So this is the point P, and at this point which angles are formed we have to write. See, first angle APC, first angle. Next angle APD, angle APE, angle APB. This is 180 degree angle. Next angle CPA, angle DPA, next angle EPA and angle EPB. So you just go on while I am reading. Next angle BPA 180 degree and angle BPC and angle BPD and lastly angle BPE. So these are the angles which are formed at the point P.